Do you need to hire an ISA with unlimited coaching, training, and replacements? Check out this video. We're going to talk about our new managed ISA program. It's our best offering yet. Let's jump into it. Folks, if you followed PowerISA over the years, you'll know we run the largest ISA team in North America, having served over 2,500 clients since 2015 and placed 350 ISAs just in the last 12 months. For years, we have had our flagship service, the Build Your ISA program, where you would pay PowerISA a one-time placement fee in the thousands of dollars to get one full-time or part-time ISA assigned to your campaign. You were in charge of paying them directly, and we would help coach and train them for the first 30 days. After that period, the responsibility fell on you as the client. Well, we have heard your feedback. Many of our clients wanted more training, more coaching, more replacements, more help managing the ISA. Our clients wanted more. So now we have an answer, the new managed ISA program. Now, for a much lower setup fee, you get the benefit of hiring a full-time or part-time ISA and getting much more support throughout the entire process. We help with the onboarding, the training, the payroll, the attendance, the quality assurance, everything throughout the life of the campaign. In short, you get a much better chance to focus on money-making activities instead of managing another member of your team. Your ISA gets a personal one-on-one coach assigned to them throughout the life of the campaign. They can reach out to them every single day if they need to. The ISAs also get access to additional group coaching sessions several times every week. The new managed ISA program means unlimited training, unlimited coaching, unlimited support, and that's not all. With our old Build Your ISA program, if you needed a new ISA 6 months later, 9 months later, 12 months later, you had to pay an additional placement fee for each ISA. With managed ISA, not anymore. You get unlimited replacements for the life of the campaign. You, as a real estate agent, also get training as well. We still have our weekly coaching sessions where real estate agents, investors, agency owners, mastermind, share best practices, and I personally share tips on how to improve your campaign and get the best results, whether it's scripting tips, dialers, technology, lead sources, anything that you need, we cover in those weekly sessions. Don't take my word for it. Check out the testimonials in the links below, including John, who got 5 listings into his pipeline within the first 30 days, or Bruno, who was blown away with the level of support and engagement he's gotten with the new managed ISA program. If you'd like to learn more information, you can book a free consultation at PowerISA.com or use the link below in the comments to find out everything you need to know about the new managed ISA program. Thanks, folks. See you on the next one.